Today we're focusing on a feature that we are all asking for: editable and exportable video captions in Canva. Captions are a game changer for making your videos more engaging, accessible, and professional. And now, you can edit, generate, and style them directly in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Brand Locally. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And today we're going to be discussing Canva with captions. So let's open up Canva right here. Let's check and upload the video that you want. So for here, we uploaded this video from Brand Locally. If you haven't watched this video yet, you can always check our YouTube channel, brandlocally.com. Then here. So this video is 30 seconds long. Now, I want you to go to text. Oh, before that, we click the video. Go to text and see right here the dynamic text. There's captions and click here. Let's generate the captions and wait for a little bit. Then there you have it. You already have your captions. Before we do manually adding the text in our video, like every minute, every phrase, like every sentence. But now Canva has it. Canva has the auto captions that we all been waiting for. So here you go. Let's watch this one. There's also digital marketing assets. It includes email newsletters, website banners, and there's also digital advertisement, and we can also do event. Okay, now you can also change the font right here. So for example, if your branding font is like Spartan, you can always change it like this. Change the color, then maybe put like this. Then also the effects. You can add this one, but I'd like to stay it like this. Let's change the color like this one. And let's make it a little bigger. Now, let's watch it. Digital advertisement. If you want to make the sentence big, we can always do that one. Just click this one, uppercase. If you want lowercase, click this. Let's adjust a little bit. There's also digital marketing assets. And there we have it. Once you are all set, you can always go to files and start downloading this one. And you can also edit this or then upload to your YouTube channel. And that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!